She saw poverty breaking up her home. Wounded warriors took her son away. But the day will come, and so on into the last verse. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've a Sore Fingers again with you with part 3 of my Paul McCartney Jenny Wren lessons. Okay, in this lesson we're moving on from into verse 3 and then into the solo bit. Okay, so the verse 3 is exactly the same as usual, sort of as we've normally been playing the verses. Silver poverty. So do it again. For poverty breaking up her home, wounded warriors took her son away. Well, that's the same as usual, yeah. You do four of those bump 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 bits, okay. And then what you do is you pluck that same chord again, just the two as usual. And then you move this down to this shape of a sort of B flat sort of shape. First fret, first finger playing the first fret of the 5th string, the A string, and pinky or whatever finger, third finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string. So you go. So the usual thing, pluck the two together, strum down to the B flat shape. Then pull the 3rd string open with your 1st finger. So you just pluck those two. I think it's probably easier if you just pluck those two and then pluck that 3rd string open with your 1st finger. Don't bother strumming that, okay? Leave a bit of a pause, then that pluck the 3rd string open, and then to an A minor, and I hope to hammer in that 1st finger. And it's the usual A minor, bass string, 5th string and the 2nd string together, strum, bottom E string open, strum, 5th string, strum, bottom E string, strum. Okay, so it's repeat the whole thing, and again. Then set this time we're doing the A minor, hammer in as usual, strum. This time go to a bar chord F, pluck the bottom E string, or the 1st fret there with the bar, to the 2nd string together. And then strum, and then to a C chord, not a C minor, C chord. And then pluck the 5th string and the 2nd string together. Couple of strums. Okay, so this whole bit is from the coming out of the verse where it goes 4 times. I like this one again. And then what we do is we basically play the bridge section again that we did in the previous lesson. Okay, so it's the same as we did before. Okay, so starting on the 6th fret, just like we did the previous lesson. Move the finger up, F minor down, and then we do the C minor again 4 times, and we stop. We just pluck that 4th time round, we stop on it. Do a little mini pause, and then we go into the final verse, exactly the same as usual. But the day will come, Jenny Wren will sing, when this broken world ends this foolish ways. Okay, got that? So we'll come back to the rest, how to finish the song in the final lesson, okay? So just to repeat, so after the 3rd verse we go into the solo, which starts off with this, that bit. But the day will come. So you get the idea, don't you? Right. Thanks very much for watching and listening. A nice shortest lesson on that one, just for the solo section. Okay. So I'll see you in the final part shortly. Bye for now.